So just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still very much chopping it up in that range that we've been talking about for so long now, it actually hurts. We can clearly see what's happened here with Polygon. Obviously the huge pump up in the bull market, big decline in the bear market. We lost, what is this, 90% from $3 down to 30 cents. A nice 90% decline, followed by a very decent bounce. You can see here we had a few resistances that we came up, a bit of a bump and run kind of thing. You fall down, you come up, retest resistance again and again, you get that big run up through your Fibonacci levels. You can see stuck under the 050 there quite clearly, and now looking like we're basically been ranging for a long time here. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. We break resistance up to the 618, and then the next day the FTX collapse happened. We came back inside the range, come down again, and now looking like we're just essentially back between the 038 and the 050 here on the Fibonacci, going sideways and waiting for the wider market to do something interesting. Obviously markets are very slow because it is December, so very low trading volume and low interest in crypto in general. On the hourly time frame, you can clearly see what's going on in even more detail here. We had that big breakout, the double top, followed by the FTX collapse. We come all the way back down, find a key level of support back inside this range here at 76.5 cents. Get a bit of a relief bounce, back down again, stuck under the resistance of the 050. Resistance, and then obviously now looking like we are coming back down probably towards support at around 75 cents at that 038, because we haven't retested it since we came back inside this range, have we? So probably get a retest here and a bounce again. But as always with all these cryptos, we are trading the range until it breaks in either direction, and these will be our targets until we do see a significant move in either direction. So